Tako don't like this couchy thingy because it sticks his feet and he keeps biting it. See? Look, it's sticky. Look at that. And he's like, ah, something sticky on my feet. Sticky, sticky, sticky. Ah, I'm trying to get it off. Eating chicken legs, no? It's like eating chicken legs, isn't it? It must be really itchy or something. Really doesn't like it. No, no, no. It's an awfully long time trying to get stuff off his feet. Oh, look at that. There we go. Got it, got it. Got the video of that. That's what I was trying to get. It was just like... sticky. Like he's dancing. Dancing Tako. Dancing, dancing, dancing.